Rich individuals leverage debt to create wealth through strategic investments in real estate, businesses, and stocks. But have you ever wondered how their calculated use of borrowed funds ensures financial growth without risking everything they have? In today's video, we're gonna talk about how rich people use borrowed money to make more money. It's like a secret trick. They have to turn loans into lots of cash and make themselves even richer. They've got these cool ways, like buying houses or starting businesses, that help them get more dough. And guess what? You can totally do it too. We'll show you how these smart moves can help regular folks like us build up our own piles of money. So let's jump right in and learn these clever money tricks together. 1. Leveraging real estate. Engaging in real estate investment becomes an intricate financial strategy for affluent individuals. They adeptly navigate the realm of property acquisition by utilizing mortgage loans and diverse forms of debt. This isn't just a transaction, it's a nuanced game where every move is calculated to optimize gains and minimize risks. Smartly investing in real estate allows these individuals to reap benefits through property appreciation, rental income, and advantageous tax structures. The human touch to this financial maneuvering adds layers of emotion and anticipation. Consider the thrill and trepidation as someone uses borrowed funds not just to buy property, but to unlock its potential. It's more than a financial strategy, it's a strategic dance that involves both the head and the heart. The emotions run high as investors leverage other people's money, OPM, to make their investments work symbiotically. It's not merely about repaying debts, it's about ensuring that the property generates ample income to cover the borrowed funds and still yield a profit. Furthermore, the investment journey extends beyond mere property acquisition. It's a symphony of strategic choices within the dynamic real estate market. The process involves purchasing undervalued properties, revamping them, and selling them for a substantial profit. 2. Utilizing margin trading and investments. Growing wealth for affluent individuals goes beyond real estate. They also employ the strategy of leveraging margin trading and investments. It's like a financial chess game where they borrow money from brokerage firms to invest in stocks, bonds, or other securities, with the goal of increasing potential returns. It's not just about having money, it's about making money work for you. These financially savvy individuals aren't merely rolling the dice. They possess a keen understanding of market trends. They navigate the complexities of market dynamics, strategically investing borrowed funds to maximize gains. The human touch in this financial maneuver involves a mix of confidence and caution. The emotions come into play as these individuals balance the excitement of potential returns with the awareness of risks. Margin trading isn't a gamble. It's a calculated dance that requires a deep comprehension of market volatility. Diversifying their investment portfolio becomes a crucial aspect, adding a layer of strategy to their financial endeavors. The journey isn't just about numbers on a screen. It's about using borrowed funds sensibly, seizing market opportunities, and experiencing the highs and lows of financial markets to generate substantial returns. 3. Business expansion and growth. For affluent individuals aiming to broaden their business horizons, tapping into the power of debt becomes a strategic move. It's akin to planting seeds of growth by using loans or lines of credit to fuel the expansion of their businesses. It's not just about having a business, it's about nurturing it to thrive and flourish. These entrepreneurs are like gardeners of enterprise, carefully choosing where to invest their borrowed funds to scale operations, introduce new products, or explore untapped markets. The human touch in this financial cultivation involves a blend of ambition and caution. The excitement of envisioning business growth mingles with the pragmatism of using borrowed funds intelligently to seize opportunities without jeopardizing existing capital. It's not a reckless leap, it's a calculated step toward enhancing the value of their enterprises. However, navigating the landscape of business growth through debt requires a keen understanding of cash flow dynamics. The emotions come into play as these entrepreneurs meticulously plan and execute, ensuring that every investment contributes to accelerated growth and increased revenue streams. It's not just about borrowing money, it's about having a clear repayment strategy, a roadmap that guides them through the twists and turns of business expansion. In this financial journey, success isn't just about the numbers, it's about the passion and prudence behind every decision. driving the growth of businesses into thriving, resilient entities. 4. Using debt to fund education and skills. Investing in education becomes a cornerstone for affluent individuals on their journey to build wealth. It's not just about attending classes. It's a strategic move where loans or educational financing are utilized to acquire knowledge and skills. These individuals recognize that education isn't just an expense. It's an investment in themselves or their children's future. The human touch in this educational pursuit involves a mix of aspiration and dedication as they navigate the path of knowledge acquisition. By obtaining valuable expertise, certifications, or degrees, these individuals are essentially planting seeds of opportunity. It's like tending to a garden of skills, knowing that the fruits of education will eventually lead to higher-paying opportunities. The emotions tied to this educational journey range from the excitement of learning something new to the determination to carve a path towards financial success. It's a journey where each lesson learned is a stepping stone towards increased earning potential and, consequently, the creation of lasting wealth. 5. Debt consolidation and smart debt management. Wealthy individuals often employ a subtle yet crucial strategy: smart debt management. In the intricate realm of finance, they grasp the importance of consolidating high-interest debts. Rather than succumbing to the weight of hefty interest payments, they strategically shift to lower-rate loans, preserving more of their hard-earned money. It's not just about having debts. It's about navigating the financial landscape with wisdom. This financial maneuver isn't a cold, impersonal process. It involves a pragmatic dance between numbers and emotions. Consider the relief felt when high-interest debts are reined in and consolidated, lightening the burden of escalating payments. Beyond consolidation, these individuals become vigilant financial architects, consistently reviewing and reassessing their debt structure. The emotions at play range from the satisfaction of informed decision-making to the determination to navigate the financial landscape with confidence. Actively seeking opportunities to refinance at lower rates or aggressively paying off high-interest debts adds a layer of strategy to their debt management approach. Intelligent debt management isn't just a numerical game. It's a pathway to reducing financial stress. It's about breaking free from the shackles of debt, liberating cash flow, and redirecting resources towards wealth-building opportunities. The emotions intertwined with this financial mastery include the relief of a lighter financial burden and the excitement of reallocating funds towards ventures that can potentially multiply wealth. It's a journey where strategic debt management becomes a key driver in shaping a more secure and prosperous financial future. Unlocking real estate opportunities. Understanding how the affluent leverage real estate is the first step in your journey towards financial empowerment. Start small by educating yourself on the market, identifying undervalued properties, and comprehending the potential of rental income. As you gain confidence and experience, gradually scale up your investments, strategically utilizing borrowed funds to maximize returns. By embracing the principles of real estate wealth creation, you pave the way for sustainable financial growth. Smart debt management strategies. The art of managing debt intelligently is a key element in the wealth-building arsenal of the wealthy, and you too can master it. Begin by reviewing your existing debts and exploring opportunities to consolidate high-interest loans. Refinancing at lower rates frees up cash flow, allowing you to redirect resources towards your own wealth-building opportunities. By implementing sound debt management practices, you gain greater control over your financial landscape, reducing stress and opening doors to future prosperity. As we wrap up, it's essential to understand that while leveraging debt can be a powerful tool for wealth creation, it comes with risks. It's crucial to conduct thorough research, seek professional advice, and understand your risk tolerance before utilizing debt as an investment strategy. Remember, the key takeaway is not to fear debt, but to use it wisely and strategically to achieve your financial goals. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on financial education and wealth-building strategies. Until next time, take care and make informed financial decisions. Goodbye.